welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Today we are going to study chapter number 1.2, an encounter of a special kind, workshop. Question number 1. State whether you agree or disagree with the following statement. Justify your choice with proper reason. A. The compound where the writer was living, rich in nature's bounty. Write whether you agree or disagree with this sentence. From the story, we agree that the compound was rich in nature because it was large campus with green grass, colorful flowers and tall majestic trees. There were squirrels, many species of birds and even a group of langurs. Holidays provide the children an opportunity to read various magazines and storybooks. Answer. I agree with that statement because during holidays children have more free time in which they can read various magazines and storybooks. C. The narrator made a mistake by saving the baby langur. I disagree with that sentence because the narrator, a 15-year-old boy, showed courage and saved baby langur. It showed how kind-hearted and brave he was. If he would have not saved the baby langur, it would have been killed by the male langur. D. Animals cannot convey emotion. Well, I disagree because there are so many examples of friendship between human beings and animals. Dogs, elephants and horses are good examples. E. The narrator was 55 years old when this incident occurred. I disagree because narrator is now 70 years old and when the incident occurred he was 15 years old. Question number 2. Match the pairs given in group A with the meanings in group B. I have matched using same colors. A. To be a part and parcel of means very important. It matches with to be an essential or integral part. B. To be engrossed in. It matches with to be completely occupied in. C. To take notice of. Meaning to absorb and give attention. D. To figure out means to be able to solve a problem. E. To ponder upon means to think seriously. To be overwhelmed by matches with to be affected emotionally in a powerful way. G. In a flash means very quickly. H. To find a solace means to find comfort and peace. Question number 3. Why did the narrator ignore the barking of dogs? The narrator thought that the pack of dogs, as usual, must have trapped an unfortunate pig, so he ignored the barking of the dogs. B. Why did the mother langur make no effort to grab her baby from the scoop? Mother langur did not make any effort to grab her baby because she was completely sure that the writer was not doing any harm to her baby and whatever he was doing was for the good of the baby. Read the text carefully and arrange the occurrence of the happenings in the text in a sequential order. For this, we have to read the story carefully and based on the events occurred first, number the incidents. I was engrossed in various magazine and storybooks occurred first. I became deeply absorbed in the book occurred second. I heard the disturbance approaching closer occurred third. I saw something horrible occurred fourth. I recalled the terrible custom in Animal Clan occurred fifth. I took the baby langur to the backyard occurred sixth. I gathered a stout stick and then started throwing stones occurred seventh. I managed to catch hold of the baby langur's tail occurred eighth. I offered him a peeled banana occurred ninth. I allowed the mother access to her baby occurred 10th. I cannot forget that look in her eyes occurred 11th. I was sure that food was not the only means of communication occurred 12th. I still fondly remember that encounter occurred 13th. Question number 5. Discuss the following and write about it in your own words in 5-6 lines. A. What would you do if you find an injured bird while returning from your school? Answer. If I find an injured bird, I will pick it up tenderly and bring it to my home carefully. I will put some drops of water in his mouth to make it fresh. I will examine its injury and apply antiseptic ointment to its injured part and bandage it without hurting it. When it is a little bit comfortable, I will provide it water and food. Then I shall keep it in small basket with cotton spread in it. I will see to it that it is safe in the place. I will take its care until it has enough strength or till it is fully recovered from the injury. B. What opinion do you form about the narrator from the story? Answer. The writer of this story is a very sensitive, sympathetic, and loving person. His qualities of humanity and courage are admirable and incredible. His thoughts about the human-animal relation are great. He believes that communication between man and animal depends not only on the food but also on trust, compassion, and mutual understanding. Question 6. Complete the following and write a paragraph on each of the given activities. Mother-child relationship. Love and affection, care, nursing, upbringing, keeping healthy, moral values, inspiration and encouragement. Paragraph. The relationship between mother and child is very close and inseparable. Mother's love for a child is eternal. It is selfless. Her love and affection for her children are boundless and invaluable. She looks after them, nurses them, and strives hard for her children's upbringing and keeping them healthy. It teaches their family culture and moral values. The child also loves its mother immensely. Mother guides, inspires, and encourages her children throughout their life. Second, injured animal. How will you help? Pick up and bring home bandage, first aid, provide water, food, keep it in safe place, will care till it regains enough strength. Paragraph. How I will help an injured animal. If I find an injured animal, I will pick it up tenderly and bring it to my home carefully. I will put some drops of water in his spout to make it fresh. I will examine its injury and apply antiseptic ointment to its injured part and bandage it without hurting it. When it is a little bit comfortable, I will provide it food and water. Then I shall keep it in a small basket with cotton spread in it. I will see to it that it is safe in the place. I will take its care till it has enough strength or till it is fully recovered from the injury. Question 7. Work in pair and make as many words as you can using letters in the word encounter. 3-letter words in encounter are 10, are, caught, not, out, nut, 10, run, 1, nor, ton, net, to. 4-letter words are tour, noun, coat, note, none, tour, tune, cute, rent, turn. 5 or 6-letter words are enter, root, court, enter, center, counter. Question 8. Translate the following proverbs in good English. First one. Janseva hits khari Ishwar seva. Answer. Service to man is service to God. Second. Perave tase ugavte. Answer. As you sow, so shall you reap. Question 9. Write a paragraph and give an appropriate title to it. Use the following points. Birds and animals, love and affection, loyal, our best friend, serves us, protection and security, kindness, honest, compassion, do not hurt or destroy us, loneliness avoided. Man's best friend, birds and animals. The relations between birds, animals, and man are complementing each other. In absence of this relationship, our environment is disturbed and we risk our whole balance of ecology in our area. That is why man must treat the birds and animals with great love and affection. They are our best friends. They are loyal to man and serve us in many ways. We must preserve our eternal relationship kindly, honestly, and compassionately. So it is our duty to protect them, take care of their security without hurting them. Question 10th A. Complete the remaining blocks determining the types of news. Types of news: business, sports, city news, politics, international news, economics. B. Read the following headline and write a news report. Follow the steps as given. Headline: Tiger attacks 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Dateline, lead line, body of the report. Use only third person pronouns, passive voice. Tiger attacks 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park, Mumbai, July 4th. Recently, tiger attacks on humans have become frequent in the nearby areas of Rajiv Gandhi National Park. A tragic death of 8-year-old child attacked by a tiger has shocked the people in the slum areas near the Rajiv Gandhi National Park. It is learned that early in the morning, the child entered alone in the wildlife reserve for defecation. The tiger, crouching behind a fence of bushes, attacked the young child and killed him. Slums dwellers gathered around to rescue him could not save him. The swamp dwellers are demanding that the forest department should arrange for rigorous patrols to restrict such incidents. Question C 10th. Read the following headlines and write the dateline, intro, and a short continuing paragraph. Achievers narrate their success story at career counseling events. Career counseling with achievers, Wednesday 15th August, Kripa Sindhu High College, Nagpur. Kripa Sindhu High College had organized The career counseling camp for students of Standard 10th on 15th August 2019 at 5 p.m. Some renowned persons who had achieved name and fame in different professions were invited to share their own experience about their career and their success. There were professionals from different fields: medicine, sports, arts, acting, engineering, etc. Each of them explained how and why they dreamed of and pursued their own career and how they secured their achievements in their field. They advised students that great heights can be achieved by constant efforts even when they have to face nerve-wracking challenges in their life and have to fight against all overwhelming odds. Audience were moved when they learned about the heart-rending stories of some professionals who are now on the top of the world. The students realized the importance of career counseling event. It was a great treat for the student who had come there for vocational guidance. B. India's first ever tourism university to be established by IIHM. IIHM has decided to establish a tourism university, the first ever in India. Tourism is developing fast in India and many careers are waiting for the young generation to take part in it. In the beginning, there will be degree courses in various facilities and also various diploma courses will be started. Language study. Question 1. What is present participle? The form of verb ending in ing which is used in forming continuous tenses. For example, he is sitting here. Present particle can also be used as an adjective. For example, he uses a walking stick. Now find out the ing forms from the story and classify them into the following tables. First, the present participle used as an adjective are twinkling eyes, marauding langur, sloping roof, and carrying arms. Present participle used as an verb in the continuous tense are. In this, we have to use was and were before the ing word. That is, was oozing, were witnessing, was breathing, was trying, was pondering. Question 2. Spot the error and correct the following sentences. A. My grandparents laid down for an afternoon nap. Answer. My grandparents lay down for an afternoon nap. B. A stranger were knocking at our door. Answer. A stranger was knocking at our door. C. My sister and I shares a study room. Answer. My sister and I share a study room. D. One of my friend is leaving school. Answer. One of my friends is leaving school. E. A flock of birds were flying overhead. Answer. A flock of birds is flying overhead. Question 3. Rewrite the sentences as per instruction given along with it. A. I took the baby langur to our backyard. Rewrite the sentence in the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense means which has been already happened. So answer is I had taken the baby langur to our backyard. B. She simply sat there quietly. Rewrite the sentence in the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense which is happening right now. So answer is she is simply sitting there quietly. C. The mother langur looked straight into my eyes. Rewrite the sentence in the simple present tense. Answer. The mother langur looked straight into my eyes. D. She surveyed the area for vicious male langur. Rewrite the sentence in the simple future tense, means which will be happening. Answer. She will survey the area for the vicious male langur. Here we completed chapter number 1.2 workshop. Next chapter workshop will be uploaded soon. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.